In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a much different ordered and unordered list. So it's going to be appearing like this, where we have this item in our as our ordered list, and this one, and then we have these sub items as ordered lists again. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do, like we talked about in our last tutorial, we first identify which type of list that is required. So in this case, for the business department, secretarial and information technology, this is an ordered list. So we open it and then we close it as ordered list like this. Okay, right, and then we start off with the first item in the list, which is business department, right? And then we're not closing this ordered list here at the end here, but we're going to be including again the other information of this list, and then it's going to be containing secretarial department like this, and the third ordered list again, which is the main one, will be information technology department like this. Technology department like this, and then we close it. So if you try to run it, so this is closed. If you try to run it in our output page, you can see we already have 1, 2, 3 as our ordered and unordered list. It's opened here. So let's just, for neatness reasons, let's just do it this way, like this. So it's opened here and it's closed here, and these tags, as you can see, the openings and the closing. So we now need to include sub information that is for business department, and here we have these two items which are our ordered list again. So what we do now is this: we open another ordered list like this, and then we close it like this, right? And then you create space again. This is now for business department alone, and then now we need to create the first item in the list. So we open the LI tag, and then we close the LI tag like this. Okay, now since you realized from what we talked about last time that if we just leave it like this and then we put our item accountancy, as you can see, and then we save, you realize if we save this and refresh, you realize that it's appearing with 1, but we want it to have I instead of 1. Just like in our order list here. So this is what we do. We use the same method that we used before. In our ordered list, we use the attribute type equals I, and then we save. We save and then refresh, and there you go. So the next item will be marketing. We just copy it and then we save it, and then we call it marketing, and then we save. So if you put this attribute in the listing here, it works, but it will only affect this one item on the list. So if you put it in the orders list, it's affecting everything that is within the orders list. So if we save it and refresh, you then realize we have the item 1 and item 2. So we go back to our reference and see what we need to do for secretarial. We have executive secretarial and top flight secretarial. So the same concept is the same. So we'll just copy this code here. We just copy this code here, and then we paste it for the listing with executive secretarial and top flight secretarial. So we just type executive secretarial, and then we have top flight secretarial, and then we save. So the same should appear as we need it before. Then we have for the information technology, we have ICDL and Hexco. So we do the same, it's just the same method. We do the same here. We have ICDL, and then we have Hexco, and then we save, and there you go. But suppose we need to have this executive secretary and top flight bullets and as A and B. So in our attribute type, we just go here and we just change to A, and then we save. This is something we did in our previous lesson, and then we refresh. So if you want to know how to do that, you can go and visit our previous lesson, and this is how we do it. And then you save, and then you refresh, and there you go. So let's just go over our code one more time and see if we've done anything. We have opened our ordered list here, and we've closed it here. We have opened this ordered list for account for a business department, and we've closed it here. And we have opened this one here, and we have closed it here. And then we have opened for information technology, and then we've closed it here. So just for neatness, this is how your code will look like. And of course, many other tags that are supposed to be included for a standard HTML page. So if you do that, then you're done.